seconds and counting. T-minus 15 seconds. Guidance is internal. It's a sin. It's a sin. Everything I've ever done, everything I ever do, every place I've ever been, everywhere I'm going to, it's a sin. So pure in thought and word and deed, they didn't quite succeed. For everything I long to do, no matter when or where or who, has one thing in common too. It's a sin. I've ever been, everywhere I'm going to, it's a sin. Father, forgive me, I try not to do it. Turned over a new tore right through it. Whatever you taught me, I didn't believe it. Father, you fought me 'cause I didn't care, and I still don't understand. So I look back upon my life, forever with a sense of shame. I've always been the one to blame. For everything I long to do, no matter when or where or who, has one thing in common too. It's a sin. I've ever been, everywhere I'm going to, it's a sin. It's a sin. Confiteor Deo, omnipotenti vobis, fratris quia peccavi, nimis cogitatione, verbo, opere, et omissione. Mea